Alright guys, there's date and time on a Garmin Furner 620. And right now we're at the 1964 Sheridan Professional Building here in Highland Park, Illinois. Let's take a look at this lobby right here. All the wallpaper that it's got here. That's pretty cool. Of course, our main focus of the video is the elevator that they have. And like most elevators in Illinois that have C.J. Anderson buttons, this one is, believe it or not, the Gallaher Speck. So, with that said, let's take it for a ride. And it's right here. Ooh, this guy's tiny. Let's go on the lower level. Oh. Ooh. That is sure some aggressive door. Anyways, here at the lower level. Let's go through two. Anyways, here we're at two. It seemed the level kind of weird. First the elevator went up for a bit, then it went down, and then it just kind of plummeted. So now we're down to the lower level. Anyways, let's get our cab view. So definitely very vintage looking, but the door seems to behave very aggressively on this elevator. And even the car itself can get a little aggressive. Now listen to how the door opened. Yeah, talk about aggressive. Anyways, there's your phone. There's your special certificate. Your capacity plate. Here's your COP right here. There's proof this is a Gallaher Speck. Now notice here that when the door closed, it seemed to leave this little gap here, but when I press the button for one, the door finally closes all the way. Thump. So I see you're on one. Yeah, I'm not sure if if that gap is like a safety hazard or not, but I've noticed that on another Gallaher Speck that I filmed. It also seems to be slightly off level. Actually, that's probably not a big deal, but yeah, this elevator definitely has some character to it. And there goes the door slamming. But nonetheless, I'm glad this elevator is in its original condition. So yeah. And for the fire alarm fans, we got a horn strobe unit right there. Not sure if it's a Siemens or not, but it looks pretty cool. And we got a pulse station made by Edwards. And yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and that'll be it.